Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Revolve tool in Autodesk Inventor 2019. Just like how you do with any other part, we want to click on Part. I have already gone ahead and clicked on Part, and I have already sketched out the profile that I want to use for my Revolve. So once you have drawn out your profile that you want to use to create or use the Revolve tool, you would want to finish sketch. Make sure that you have everything closed off on all sides of your profile before you finish your sketch. And in this example, I have drawn out the half profile or a quarter profile of what the small wheel for the Pitsco dragster set looks like. It's close, it's not exactly, but it's close enough to the actual model. So I'm going to go ahead and finish sketch since my sketch is completed. From here, most of you would want to go ahead and click extrude. But since the wheel is circular, I want to go click on the Revolve tool instead. When you click on Revolve, if your sketch or your profile is enclosed and closed off on all sides, then it will auto-select it. As you can tell, it is highlighted blue. What it's waiting for me to do, if you read down at the bottom left-hand corner of your screen, it says Select Axis. So my center of rotation, since I have built in the drilled hole that it has in there, my center of rotation is actually this line. When I click on that line, it takes that profile and spins it around a full 360 degrees. Now, you don't have to do a full 360 degrees. You have other options under the extents location in your dialog box. You can do a specific angle, so if we wanted to do a 90-degree angle. But for this case, we want to do a full 360. If you guys spin your profile around, you can see that it has that hole that I have built in as part of the profile. So since this is what I want, I'm going to go click OK, and it makes my shape into the wheel for the Pitsco dragster set. You can go ahead and add the additional holes that are on this face of the wheel by going to Start 2D Sketch, clicking on the face, drawing the circle. We know that there is one aligned on the XY plane. Measuring one of the holes, it measures roughly 0.15 inches, and from center to center measures roughly, I want to say 0.32. Here I could do this, click on the circle, and it'll do the same thing. So I'm going to say 0.32 to position my circle. I'm going to finish my sketch. I'm going to extrude this hole to cut. If you want to change your distance, you can. You can also do 2 next, and it'll stop on the opposite face. Hit OK. And you're probably thinking, well, there's 8 holes on here. You do have an option called Circular Pattern Tool that is found under the 3D Model tab. There is one in sketch mode as well that you can use. Same process. In 3D mode, Circular Pattern, you need to select the feature that you want to make a pattern of. Next, go back to the dialog box and select Rotation Axis, and your rotation axis is where does it go around. And since everything has been symmetrically done around a center axis point, I can do this as my center of rotation, and now I just have to tell it how many total instances I have. The program figures out the specific angles to place them. I just have to click OK, and it makes a pattern of my hole around my part. So that's a quick little tutorial on how to use the Revolve tool and how to use the circular pattern tool under 3D model in Autodesk Inventor 2019.